Hi guys, my name is Rupinder Kaur and here I am with another video on listening. This is the video which can take you to another level if you are scoring less bands in your IELTS listening. So after watching this video, most of your problems are going to be solved. And in this video, we are going to talk about particularly listening, how to improve, not about what type of questions will be there. So not going to be in detail in that particular topic. We'll have another video on that. So I always get many queries how to improve listening. Listening is usually what we hear, what we listen to, and just going to write the same. There is no guessing which can be made because in a sentence anything can be said related to that particular topic. We cannot guess anything that this can be this, but yes, if you have multiple answers, then you can mark the most appropriate one. So here are some tips that can help you improve your IELTS listening. First of all is going with the keywords. Keywords are something that are game changer. If you have marked the keywords when you have time gaps which are already recorded in the audio of IELTS listening, whether you are practicing or even if you are having your final IELTS exam, so you will get everything, the pauses, time gaps, and the time to transfer the answers later on. As I have written that you will get 40 questions and there will be almost like 30 minutes of audio which will be played and then 10 minutes to transfer your answers if you are giving pen and paper based, and like 3 to 4 minutes if it is your I would say computer delivered exam. So for keywords, always just read the question twice whenever the time is given. Yes, there are times to 1 to 40 questions you will find like you have much more time, means you have enough time, but when it comes to question 31 to 40, it is always fast. You will get like 10 to 20 seconds, and yes, if you will do very quickly, so everything will be done, but if you will go slowly as you have done in 1 to 10 question number, so that will be problematic. Going with the keywords means just mark the nouns, numbers, place, thing, whatever is given, or certain specific words that have some significant meaning for that particular question. Marking keywords will be beneficial because those words will remain in your mind for some time. Meanwhile, the audio will be played and it will stuck when the particular thing they are going to talk about will resemble what is written in the question. So that are going to help you a lot. Second thing is topic vocabulary. Now there are times when they speak by paraphrasing that particular thing. They do not speak as if it is written. So some of the students find that they have not spoke that particular thing, or some of them mark the incorrect answer because they do not know the meaning of that particular question or the words that are being spoken. So topic vocabulary is quite important when it comes to listening and even in other modules. Always reconsider every word that they have spoken. Try to match up the synonyms. For instance, if it is said it is necessary to make handouts for a presentation, and on your paper it is written make notes. So handouts will resemble with make notes. So making notes or make notes, what is given will be the correct answer. So it is not at all necessary that the same words will be spoken what are written, specifically in MCQs or with the matching information, I would say. And then the third one is concentration, and I am going clockwise. You need to follow this structure. Firstly, you need to work on the keywords. Secondly will be the topic vocabulary, and the third part is concentration. The point you will lose concentration on your listening module, definitely you are going to lose the scores. Now, how to build up the concentration? Try to listen as if you are a part of the conversation. Definitely you will be having more interest in that talk. And concentrate means to listen to each and every word, whatever is written and spoken, so that you can mark answers simultaneously, because you will not get extra time or you cannot replay something. So it is important that wherever you are doing your listening practice or you are sitting in your IELTS exam, so concentrate well. The time your concentration will lose, you are going to skip some of the answers, so you will try to guess some of them, which may or may not be correct. Fourth one is transferring answers clearly and carefully. So it is to do with your handwriting and the way you have listened to, means your concentration while you will be transferring the answers. One, always transfer your answers very clearly. Just check it twice, everything. Once you have transferred the answers to the answer sheet, make sure to write your answers in capital letters, means in uppercase. Don't go with the lowercase. You will definitely not lose any scores if you are writing everything in capital. Instead, it is beneficial because you will not write some of the nouns or some of the specific words in lowercase that may be responsible for your score to be lost. Second thing I would say, when you will be transfer answer, make sure to follow the sequence. Always check, like you have transferred 1 to 10 questions, then check it out, like 10th answer is 10th, the way you have transferred to your answer sheet. Some of the students, what they do is they just skip any of the answer and follow the sequence in a wrong way, and when they just move it be at question number 40, they found like they have 2 answers, or they found that the answers are at like 39 number. They are not able to find the answer 40. So following sequence is quite important. Fourth thing was like transferring answers carefully and clearly, and right after that is paying attention to details. While an individual is transferring answers, sometimes they are confused what to do. The answer is singular or the answer is plural. Answer should be instructions or instruction. So it is important to get the answer right. So if you have any doubt, do one thing, just to look at the word which is just before your blank, I would say, because this thing mostly happens when it comes to blanks. Other information is given. If it is MCQ, you need to mark ABC or something. So particularly for fill-ups, just look for the word which is just before your blank. If it is a and the, so for a and the it will be singular, for the also it will be singular, but sometimes it is like word is for plural. There would be a high chance of the word having the plural word, not the singular one. So if it is a and the will be singular, if it is in most of the cases, and for the word they, so answer will be plural. Second thing, if you have doubt, you can put that in braces so you will not lose marks, but consider the singular part would not be there. Next thing is, after doing everything, is practice, practice and practice. Once you have done with one of your listening tests, just look for the errors, for the mistakes that you have made. If it is with fill-ups, work on that particular part. If it is on MCQs, just listen to the audio again and see what mistakes you have made. What is the particular thing that had made your answer incorrect? So work on that particular thing. Look for the keywords. Once you are done with these things, and for practice, again try all these things. You might be lacking with vocabulary, with concentration. You would have made mistakes while transferring answers, or you would not have done this thing correctly. It means there were some of the things which you have missed. So work on your weak area so that you can improve your overall listening band score. And again, I would say this is the key. Keyword itself says it is the key. Once you are getting the correct keywords, definitely you will get the correct meaning of that, means the synonym and paraphrasing. If you do not have that particular thing in your mind, any particular words that can help you like as a backend, so it is important to have keywords in your mind. Always mark these words when you are given with time. Don't look for the answers again and again. In the given time which is given for like now check, you have some time to check your answers. At that time it is, I would say, there are least chances for you to change the answer because you would have already written what you have listened to. So it is great to move to another section and look for the keywords for that particular part. And now the listening pattern, it is already changed. So most of the time, I would say 99%, there is like 1 to 10 fill-ups and 31 to 40 are also fill-ups. So in between there could be a map, matching information or MCQs or something like that. But 1 to 10, 31 to 40 will be the fill-up. So work on this factor specifically of this singular and plural concept. Apart from this, it is concentration, because it is usual for the speaker to speak some information which is not like marked in your question paper. So in that particular time span, it is more likely for you to get like stray off. So always be very concentrated when you are doing listening. So guys, these are some of the tips that can help you to improve your overall IELTS band score and are definitely effective. Once you will start practicing, you will find it more and more easy every day, and it will boost your confidence when you will start marking more. So for this, I would end this video. Try and practice to improve your IELTS band scores. For more videos, just visit my channel. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to this. For online and offline classes, just call or WhatsApp at this given number. Thank you.